Based on your question about wiring an air handling unit with 10 kilowatt backup heat and needing to determine the correct wire size, the answer is that you are required to use number 6 copper wire. Per National Electrical Code Section 334.80, the maximum ampacity for number 8 copper wire in a 60°C ambient temperature is 40 amps. Your calculated load of 41.6 amps plus the fan motor load exceeds the ampacity of number 8 copper wire. Furthermore, National Electrical Code Section 424.3 paragraph Bravo requires the ampacity of a conductor supplying a motor to be increased by 125% of the motor's full load current. This increases your calculated load, taking 41.6 amps and multiplying it by 1.25, which equals 52 amps. Therefore, you require a wire size with an ampacity of at least 52 amps. The next larger standard wire size is number 6 copper, which has an ampacity of 55 amps in a 60°C ambient temperature. In conclusion, you are required to use number 6 copper wire for your air handling unit with 10 kilowatt backup heat to meet the requirements of National Electrical Code Section 334.80 and 424.3 paragraph Bravo.